Now let's analyze what personality is. The personality is an element that serves as a vehicle for expressing either the essence or the ego. Ego or essence by themselves can't express physically or verbally without the existence of a personality. It's the personality that takes what's going on inside us and gives it physical expression. Language, for example, is something that belongs to the personality. Neither ego nor essence knows one language from another, because they're simply a way of thinking, feeling, and acting. It's the personality that takes these thoughts, feelings, and impulses and expresses them through the language that the person speaks. However, we often allow the personality to get contaminated, and it becomes more a vehicle of the ego than of the essence. Education is of tremendous importance right from childhood, since the formation of the personality starts from birth. How it develops depends mainly on the examples it receives. What we call false personality is a personality that's not true to the principles of our essence. For example, feeling superior or inferior to other people. The attitude of the personality faced with the different occasions of life is what determines whether the ego or the essence is expressed. How is the false personality fed? The false personality feeds on personal achievements or failures and the ideas that we've formed about ourselves. Do I believe I'm intelligent? Do I think I'm a good person? Do I think that I'm better than other people? These concepts about ourselves start forming from childhood, when we were praised for the things we did, or else humiliated, or maybe a bit of both. Trophies, walls covered with certificates, etc., are some of the things that fortify a false idea of ourselves. In this society, we're taught to give too much value to our personality. Will our titles or trophies really matter at the time of our death? This is why it's urgent to have a personality that's educated in the philosophical and fundamental principles of life, to shed all the false notions that we have about ourselves, and prepare for the awakening of the consciousness, to understand the purpose of our existence and how to fulfill it.